So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete scoring rule on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this first website and log into your account right here. And after that you just need to select your profile icon which will arrive right here just like this. And after that you need to select this Access Zoho CRM. Now you have to go with this settings icon and select this option called scoring rules. Now you can see this scoring rule of mine. So you just need to put your cursor on your scoring rule name and you can see this 3-dot option right here. Now just select it and you can see these two options, clone and delete. Now select delete and again select yes delete. So now guys, you have successfully deleted your scoring rule on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.